Ever wonder how the pros pick winning stocks? They use a 6-step process. Let's get into it. It's all about having a clear, disciplined process. So let's dive into that 6-step framework. Okay, so this is our roadmap. It's going to take us from a huge list down to one smart decision. And this right here, this is the key mindset. You're not just buying a stock ticker. That's right, you're buying a part of an actual business. So let's start with finding one. So step 1 is screening for ideas. Then step 2 is really getting what the company does. And you know what? All this info is public. Start with their official reports, like the 10K. All right, let's get into the numbers. A great business needs great financials, right? This is a super useful tool. It shows you how different costs change relative to sales. So you can see right away if marketing costs, for instance, are eating up more revenue. But numbers don't tell the whole story. You've got to do some digging for red flags. Be really careful with adjusted numbers. And always check how management gets paid. Okay, so we've looked at the past. Now let's look to the future with step 4. You need to ask, is their plan realistic? And more importantly, have they delivered in the past? Because a great company isn't a great investment if you overpay. That's valuation. You can compare it to its competitors, or you can figure out its actual standalone value. So what if it's too pricey? No big deal. Just put it on your watch list for later. And finally, step 6, you got to get all your thoughts down. This is your investment thesis. Why? Because this keeps you grounded when the market inevitably gets a little crazy. Because once you buy, that's not the end. It's really just the beginning of the journey.